Top 10 Ridiculous Jamaican Home Remedies. Most people will be shocked to learn that Jamaicans consume the meat of mongoose and crocodiles. However, did you know that there was a time when Jamaicans drank rat soup as a cure for whooping cough? Be warned, the remedies in this video are not intended to replace medical advice. With that said, here are 10 ridiculous Jamaican home remedies. Number 1. In the olden days, children who suffered with mumps would have their heads gift wrapped with cloth that had warm ashes and tobacco leaves inside. This was supposed to reduce the swelling of the glands around the jawline. These days, vaccines take care of the incidence of illness such as mumps, rubella, and whooping cough. Number 2. For those who had chicken pox, soaking the body in a bath infused with tamarind leaves soothed itching. Containing the itch was necessary to avoid scarring from scratching the skin and breaking open the blisters and pustules. Number 3. A combination of pepper leaves and a cake soap was applied to boils. Some people use the green pepper leaves soaked in warm castor oil to draw out impurities. Number 4. In the rural areas, those suffering with measles drank water from corn that had been roasted until burnt and then scraped from the cob. Number 5. For children who continued to wet their beds, parents would give them the heart of the soursop to eat. This was supposed to cure that particular weakness. Parched chicken gizzards were also said to cure this affliction. Number 6. When people talk a lot, Jamaicans say they have eaten too much chicken body, referring to the chicken's anus, also known as parson's nose, which is the oil gland at the top of the tail feathers. Children who refused to talk by the time their parents thought they should were given fried chicken body to encourage them to talk. This part of the chicken is irreverently known as parson's nose or the Pope's nose by Protestant Christians, as well as the Sultan's nose by North Africans. Number 7. In the days before doctors were easily accessible, for those with wounds that did not heal easily, especially a sore foot, a trip to the doctor's shop or agricultural store was in order. Those in farming communities bought screwworms, not only to apply to stubborn cuts, but to heal animals with infected wounds. The worms would devour the rotten flesh, giving the affected area a chance to heal. Screwworm treatment is said to be painful, but modern science is now making the same use of maggots, which gives some legitimacy to what used to be seen as bush medicine. Number 8. Whooping cough. The recommended treatment for whooping cough was rat soup. Household rats were safe from the soup pot. It was the bush rat found in the cane fields that provided a cure for whooping cough. Some believe bush rat soup is the stuff of legend, but others swear by the use and curative properties of rat soup. Number 9. Good old busy or cola nut and the cerasee are used to make tea and are an integral part of Jamaican life. They relieve everything from belly aches and nausea to high cholesterol and the symptoms of gout. Number 10. Many Jamaican children have bad memories of the cleanser known as mojo herb, which every child had to drink at the end of summer. This nasty tasting herbal laxative was given to purge the body of all impurities from the range of foods eaten over the holiday. Mojo herb is also known to be helpful to women with painful menstrual cycles. Here are a few more remedies that are downright ridiculous. Putting busy or cola nut on a cut or wound. Taking a sea bath for the flu or cold. A head to toe dip in the sea is said to cure a flu or cold. Tipping white rum in the middle of your mole or in the middle of your head after washing your hair. Drinking busy or mint tea for every ailment. Putting newspaper in your clothes on your chest to prevent vomiting on a long trip. Putting J's on a wound to pull out the splinter. Putting male urine in your eye to cure an infection. Drinking marijuana tea to cure every type of ailment. Putting a leaf from the leaf of life plant on your head to cure a headache. Drinking a teaspoon of kerosene oil already used from a lamp to cure colic, the one the bud. Have you ever heard of any of these remedies? Have you ever tried any? If you know of any more crazy home remedies, please share them in the comment sections down below. Thank you so much for watching. Stay blessed.
Jamaica. Don't forget to drop a like and a comment. Don't forget to subscribe.